Shotcut Video Editor. It is free and open source video and audio editor software. Installation setup on Windows 11 and Windows 10. Browser. Open Google search box lo enter Shotcut Video Editor download. Enter key press shotcut.org download shotcut-download first link click. Shotcut official web page complete display download section lo current version latest version 25.12.31 automatic detect and display windows other supporting platforms and OS GNU based Linux macOS Microsoft Windows. First option Windows 10 and 11 Intel or AMD CPU users. First one Windows installer or second one Windows portable zip. ARM CPU users second one and Windows 7 and Windows 8 users third one. Installer or zip. Anyone select. Present Windows 11 and 10. First option related first one button Windows installer click. SourceForge official redirectory web page complete display. Your download will start shortly. Download section lo shotcut-win64 latest version 25.12.31 exe setup file downloading process start. File size 134 MB. Process completed. Next installation setup. Browser minimize. Desktop file explorer document open. Left side downloads folder lo shortcut executable file display. Select mouse double click. Download folder minimize. Desktop select setup installer mode window lo two options display. First one install for all users recommended. Select Shotcut installer window lo first button yes click. License agreement Shotcut application related GNU based general public license information display in middle section box. Read once. First button next click. Select destination location. Shotcut video editor installation path display in box. Local disk C program files newly created folder shortcut. Disk space required 680.9 GB. In case change the another one drive, browse button click. Present unnecessary second button next click. Select additional task. 4 options display. All options tick mark set. Left side third one tick mark set. Fourth one tick mark set. Second button next click. Ready to install. Second button install click. Installing. Please wait while setup install shortcut on your computer. Application related executable files. Installation process start. Wait and here few minutes. Completing the shortcut setup wizard window. Finish button click. Desktop shortcut icon display. Shortcut application run. Loading plugins. Wait and here few seconds. Untitled automatic shortcut interface display window maximize. First one top section lo menu bar individual menus file edit view player settings help each one menus related tools. Second section ribbon display. Third section lo playlist editing related files insert in playlist box. Editing related insert in box. Second one already created video editing related projects works folder insert or create. Projects output display in section and created files display in recent window display. Video editing related tools timeline section lo display. Top section lo first one icon open file click. This is first method. Second method is file menu click open file. Second option click. Select editing related video open click. drag and drop here. Increase this video size. Zoom left side. Zoom in, zoom out. Audio files insert in timeline. Audio icon click. Keyboard Control Z. Undo. Append icon click. And minus. Left side select, mouse right click. Track size increase or decrease. Left side mouse right click. Track height small. Click. And effects. Editing. Audio. Audio related settings. Login click. Editing completed. Top section export. Icon click. Export related MPEG or H264 high profile option are select. YouTube related editing YouTube select. Bottom side export video and audio first button click. Desktop select. Enter the project file name Chari Tech. First button save click. Export process start. Interface minimize. Export related editing video file display